also key personalities coming out with their comments on this entire Moody's downgrade on the US. But we now have Sahaj Agarwal, Head of Derivatives at Kotak Securities, joining us along with Somil Mehta, Head Alternate Research at Mirae Asset Share Khan. Good morning to both you gentlemen and thanks so much for joining us. Sahaj, let's come to you first. Given the kind of momentum that we've seen last week and today GIFT Nifty is implying a slightly flattish open but below the 25,100 mark, what would you think could today's market session look like? Some levels, do you think Nifty will breach that 25,100, 150 mark and trade today?
Sure. First of all, a good morning to all. I think last week was one of the most exciting weeks I can remember of, wherein Monday was an amazing day, and even the expiry day happened to be an extraordinary uptick that we witnessed. Usually, we associate volatility with the downside, but this time around, it's been a little different. Our markets have been quite resilient in the sense we've seen so many, geopolitical situations, and even on the domestic front, I think the earnings have been rather soft. But the inherent strength of the market is somewhere or the other helping push the markets higher. On levels basis, I would say that 24,900, which was a resistance that we kind of created in the month somewhere back in December, we've crossed that in a very, very significant manner and are sustaining about the same. I think after the up move that we witnessed recently, a consolidation between the range of 24,900, 24,200, 250 seems quite likely. As we speak in the last trading session, your broader market participation was quite interesting, and stocks which kind of rallied sectors like maybe the banking, private banks, they witnessed a bit of a cool off, and other laggard sectors like IT, auto, metals have started, gaining momentum. So I think the overall package looks interesting. I would place my, support zone around the 25, 24,8, 24,900 mark. And on the higher side, I would surely expect Nifty to conquer 25 to 50 in the near term. So the bias is surely positive.
Right. Very good morning to you, Sayesh. Good morning, Somil. Somil, what's your take on the markets, given the fact that last week we saw across the board rally in the markets, be it the realty, metals, IT, pharma, FMCG, all of these sectors actually posted gains. Come this brand new week, which are the sectors that you would watch out for? Which are the charts that are indicating that that sort of a breakout could sustain?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's been a very good rally in the last few weeks, and we've seen broader market participating as well. So I think from here, the short term and the medium term outlook remains positive. I'll be looking for 24,300, 25,300, 25,500 levels in the very short term. Medium term outlook, definitely I'll be looking for all-time highs. So let's focus on the short term for now. The support should be around 24,800, 24,600. These are the levels I'm looking for. Overall, if you see, I think the markets, the sectors which are looking great is metals, reality. These two sectors are definitely looking great. But now I think the railway stocks are started looking great as well. Autos have been very oversold for a little while, and now it has started making high tops, high bottoms. So I think autos, metals, and reality, these sectors are looking great, and the momentum will be in these stocks.
That's the day coming in on the benchmark indices. Seems like that they should consolidate at this point in time. That's the advice coming in from both of our experts, highlighting the key support levels as well. But sectors, that's the place where you should be. And some of the sectors that our experts are highlighting are coming in from the railway as well as the auto pack. So let's also get you some of the stock specific ideas from our experts then. And Somil, you go first. Tell us which sector are you picking up today and which are the stocks that are looking attractive to you this morning?
Okay, I'll go with railway stock first, that is IRCTC. We've seen great momentum on Friday, and it should continue for the coming week. Stop loss would be 784, and the target should be 880. It has broken out of a small consolidation, closing about 200 daily exponential moving average, which is a great sign for the stock. The next stock I'll be looking for is in the realty pack, Godrej Properties. This stock has as well broken off a small consolidation. Momentum indicator has given a fresh buy signal. So this stock would be my top pick. Stop loss would be 2080 and the targets would be 2380.
So those are the picks coming in from Somil. Sahaj, coming to you, what's looking good this morning? Something perhaps from the broader end of the market?
So, unfortunately, it's more from the mid-cap space because that's where the action is at this point of time. So, Apollo Tyres is one opportunity that I really like. I think it gave a range breakout, has witnessed a pullback as well, which is a pretty interesting space to get into in terms of the risk-reward ratio. The support is placed around the recent lows, which is 470. And on the higher side, the higher band of the trading range, 550 seems achievable over the next few trading sessions. So that's one opportunity, Apollo Tires. And again, the second opportunity is more from the value basket. This Crompton has been consolidating since quite some time, and despite the market volatility, failed to break its recent lows and recently got into momentum. I expect this momentum to continue, even if the market were to consolidate for the short term. So support placed around 325 and on the higher side target around 400. Currently the stock is around 350. So that's another interesting opportunity from the value basket.
Right, so